Ever heard people say it's saved in the cloud? But where actually is the cloud? It's not floating in the sky. The cloud is just someone else's computer, but on a massive scale. The cloud is made up of huge buildings called data centers. Inside, there are thousands of powerful computers called servers, all connected together. These buildings exist in real places, in different cities and countries, running 24/7, with cooling systems, backup power, and tight security. So when you take a photo and it automatically backs up, or open Google Drive or watch Netflix, your phone isn't doing all the work. Instead, your phone sends your data through the internet to one of these data centers. That's where your files are stored and processed. Imagine you used to keep all your photos in a photo album at home. If you lose it, it's gone. Now imagine instead, you store all your photos in a secure storage facility. You can walk in anytime, from any location, and access them. That storage facility is the cloud. Your phone is just the key. And here's where it gets a bit more interesting. Your data usually isn't stored in just one place. Companies keep copies in multiple data centers. If one location has a problem, your data is still safe somewhere else. That's why you can switch to a new phone and still see all your photos. You can also start watching a movie on your TV and continue on your phone, or share files instantly with someone on the other side of the world. But it also explains something important. You need internet to access the cloud. No internet equals no connection to those remote computers. So next time someone says it's in the cloud, just remember, it's not in the sky. It's stored in real buildings, on real machines, quietly working somewhere far away, so your life feels simple and seamless. Follow for more.